Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Learn Mathematics from Zero. Today we are going to discuss a very interesting and very important topic, which is conversions of metric measures. Okay, so first of all we have to know what is the need of metric measures. Okay, for that we have to take one example. Okay, so if you want to buy cloth, if you want to buy some clothes, okay, so then for that you have to go to the market. Then you have to ask the shopkeeper. What you have to ask? Can you say like that, uncle, please give me one cloth? Can you say like that? No, you can't say like that. You have to say, uncle, please give me 1 meter of cloth. Yes, 1 meter of cloth. That meter, it is the unit. Okay, this is the unit for what? For measuring length. Okay, again, suppose he wants to buy dal. Okay, he wants to buy dal. So that time also, can you ask like that, uncle, please give me 2 dal? Can you say like that? No, this is also wrong. How you have to say? You have to say like that, uncle, please give me 2 kg dal. Yes, 2 kg dal. Or suppose you have to buy milk. Okay, you have to buy milk. So can you say like that, please give me 1 milk? Is it proper? No. So how you have to say, please give me 1 liter milk? Yes, that liter, kg, meter, that are called the what? Units. Okay, so metric measure means measure of length, weight and volume of different manners. Okay, so first you have to know what are the standard unit. Okay, so standard units of first standard units of length. What is the standard unit of length? It is meter. It is known as small m. It is denoted by. Okay. Next, measure of weight. Or sometimes it is called mass. Okay. So what is the weight? It is, the standard unit is gram, which is denoted by small z. Okay. Last one, standard unit of volume. Standard unit of volume is what? Liter, which is denoted by small l. Okay. So basically we have to remember these 3 standard unit. Depends on these 3 unit, we have to convert the lower unit to higher unit and higher unit to lower unit. Okay. So after that, the second thing you have to know that the increasing and decreasing order of units. Okay. So for that, I will write it here. liter, sorry, meter, gram, then liter. Okay. So first, the smallest unit of measuring length is millimeter. Okay, but I will write it here milli. That why I have written like that, I will mention it later on. Next, I have written centi. Next, I have written deci. Meaning I will say, don't worry. Next, it will be deca. Next, hecto. Next, sorry, wait. Next, it will be kilo. Kilo. Okay. So why I have written only milli? So say, to measure the length, the smallest unit is millimeter. Next, centimeter, decimeter, meter, decameter, hectometer, kilometer. Okay. Again, for measuring weight, it will be what? Milligram, centigram, decigram, gram, decagram, hectogram, kilogram. Okay. Then last, for measuring volume, liter is there. So for that also, milliliter, centiliter, deciliter, liter, decaliter, hectoliter, kiloliter. Okay. For this three, you have to remember only this one table. Okay. So the always where there is kilo, that will be the greater. Okay. Largest. After that, hectare. Hecto. If you want meter, then hectometer. If you want gram, hectogram. If it is a volume, then it will be hectoliter. Okay. Then deca, meter, decagram, decaliter. Then decimeter, decigram, deciliter. Centimeter, centigram, centiliter. Millimeter, milligram, milliliter. Okay. So in upward direction, what? The unit is gradually increased. It is increasing. Okay. Then in downward, it is what? Decreasing. Suppose in one question it is given that milligram, then suppose it is given kilogram, then centigram, like that it is given, and you have to arrange this one in increasing order. What? In increasing order. So for that, what you have to know? You have to know this table. So it is asking about the gram weight. Okay. So first, how you will read? millicenti. No need to learn milligram, decagram. No need. Only millicenti deci. If you require gram, then gram, deca, hecto, kilogram. Again, I am repeating. Millicenti decigram, deca, hecto, kilogram. If you require meter, millicenti decimeter, deca, hecto, kilometer. If you require liter, millicenti deciliter, deca, hecto, kiloliter. Okay. Now see question. Increasing order. That means small to large. So first what will come? What unit will come? Shortly we have to write it here. Milli, centi, deci, gram, deca, hecto, kilogram. So first what will come? M. So mg. So after that centi, cg, then kg. So this is the increasing order. That means milligram first it will come, then in comparison to milligram, centigram is little bit large, then in comparison to cg, kg is little bit more large. Okay, so for that you have to remember this one. Next, how you can convert from one unit to another unit. That is very important. Okay, just process today I will show. In the next class I will discuss with the example. So again I am writing milli, centi, deci. Here I will write all the three unit, which is meter, gram and liter. Okay, then deca, hecto, kilo. Okay, kilo. Now see how we have to convert higher unit to lower unit and lower unit to higher unit. Okay, so when we have to convert higher unit to lower unit, higher unit to lower unit, then we have to multiply. What we have to multiply? See, in one step, if we are coming in one step by towards, that means towards downward, then we have to multiply by 10. Okay, so again if you are converted kilometer to suppose decameter, how many steps we have to come down? 2 steps. Then you have to multiply by 100. 1 step 10, 3 step 1000, like that. Okay, let's take one example. Convert 2 kg kilogram into centigram. Okay, now see, from kilogram to centigram, how many steps? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 steps. 5 steps, that means 2 into, that means 10, 5, sorry, 5, 10 you have to multiply. So 50 will come, Cg, yes, that means Cg, 2 lakhs. Okay, again when you have to convert lower to higher, then we have to divide. Okay, we have to divide. Let us see here in the list. Suppose we have to convert milli to centi. So one step we are going towards upward, then we have to divide it by 10. And when we are going 2 steps, then by 100. Okay, just you have to remember this table from increasing order: milli, centi, deci, meter, deca, hecto, kilo. Only these three together you have to write. Then this table, if you can remember one thing, if you can recall, after that you have to just remember another thing is that when you are coming from higher to lower, then you have to multiply, and when you are going to lower unit to higher unit, then you have to divide. Okay, let us take another example from lower to higher. Convert 3 millimeter into meter. Okay, so millimeter to meter. First look at here, how many steps? 1, 2, 3. 3 steps. So what to do? You have to divide that 3 by 1000. Then it will convert into meter. In this decimal you can write 0.003 meter. Okay. So for today this much only. You just first you learn the table. Okay, recall it and try to solve simple 1-2 problem. Then in the next class I will show you another example. Okay, for today this much. Thank you. Have a nice day.